Eh? Where is she?
Where is she?
Eh?
Nala!
Nala,
Come
Come here! Nonsense! Rubbish!
Come outside!
Ah!
Where is she?
Nene.
Odobi.
Eh?
Odikwa. Why people shout?
Sha! So you looked at us and you opened your mouth and said that we were shouting? Eh?
Imagine.
You're mad. You're very stupid by saying that. Oh, my brother's money has turned your head. And you think you can open your mouth and talk anyhow and insult us? Eh? See, you're leaving this house today. You are leaving this house today. Wham! Nonsense. That's my name. My beautiful name.
Rose, I personally followed Odili to this place as mother that I am. I will not watch you destroy our family. You have to leave this house immediately. Adobe. Huh? Even you? A married woman like me?
I say.
A married woman? Haven't you destroyed my home? I hope you're happy. You're satisfied. Where are you going? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Where do you think you're going?
Hey, who's this?
Who's this?
You
wait.
You want to kill my sister? You want to kill my sister? Oh, you should leave her alone. Do you want to kill her for me? Do you want to kill her? Leave her alone. Your sister is leaving this house today. Immediately. Now. Thank God you said your brother's house. Thank God you said your brother's house, not your house. If anybody's going to leave this house, it is you and you. It is you that will leave this house. Yes. Watch me do it. Watch me. Hey.
You must leave this house.
Hey.
You must leave this house.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.